Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm trying to do is to see how to dismantle this monitor. Okay, because I've been trying to find out from the YouTube, but I couldn't find a very good educational video to show you how you can do it. Anyway, I have this monitor which I want need to replace the power, okay, which is 40, because I think it broke off somehow. So the monitor itself is still in a very good condition. So in order not to waste it and throw it away, I decided to open up, take out the PCB board, which is a circuit board, and hopefully can find the connector to replace it and to reuse it again. So that's the purpose why I'm trying to open it up. Okay, to open this monitor, which is currently what I have is a Philips monitor, uh, you need a screwdriver. Okay, so to open it up, basically there's a latch here along the line, along the monitor. What you can do is to open it up. Let me show you how. Okay, it may be a bit difficult at times. Okay, so notice, oops. Okay, finally I open it up. Be careful when you open it. Okay, this is a LCD panel, but so in order for me to take out the PCB, look behind, there are screws over there, so I need to unscrew it while holding on to the panel, just in case it fall out. Okay, slowly. Okay, okay, there you go. What you should do is to disconnect all the cables. Can be a bit hard, tough. Okay, done. Okay, got it up. There's two more screws here, which is tied to the video. You just need to unscrew it. Open it up. Okay, this is where all the circuit board is located. Over here, there's two more uh, screw, okay, on the circuit board. Which I can't show you here. I try to, if I can. Let me see whether it's possible to show you. Okay, over here there is two screws over here, but of course depend on your monitor. You may have more or you may have less, but for this monitor I have two. So let me dismantle. Okay, here it goes. So I managed to take out this circuit board. As I mentioned, this is still a working condition monitor. It just happened that this power is 40, which make it useless now. So I need to change it. Once I change this power, I should be able to put it back and get it working again. Well, this will at least save you and save myself some cost on buying a new monitor, right? When it can be used. So I think, hope you all like this short video on how to dismantle LCD panel kind of a monitor. Okay. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. I will as I being a techie, I constantly will explore things to work on, and you may see some interesting stuff along the way. Meanwhile, thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy it. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.